Your driveline transfers power from your engine out to your drive wheels. The transmission lets you select forward or reverse. Modern automatic transmissions are monitored by a computer that controls the gear shifts. 5 and 6 speed transmissions are very common, with 8 and even 10 speed transmissions available. With all this sophistication comes complexity, and replacing a failed transmission can be very expensive. Proper transmission maintenance is key to long transmission life. Overheating is the main cause of transmission damage or failure. Transmission fluid, a special type of oil, cools and lubricates the transmission as well as provides hydraulic pressure to shift gears. Small bits of the internal transmission clutches break off, contaminating the transmission fluid. Contaminated fluid circulating in the transmission eats away at important seals and gaskets, causing internal leaks. This prevents the transmission fluid from providing enough pressure to shift properly. Small internal fluid passages can become clogged, so the transmission is not lubricated properly, leading to overheating. Here are some signs that you may have transmission problems. Your transmission does not seem to be shifting from gear to gear precisely, either too hard or too drawn out. If you see a reddish fluid on the driveway or find yourself having to top off the transmission fluid, you may have a leak that should be repaired to prevent further damage. Most vehicles have a mileage recommendation for replacing the transmission fluid. This keeps contamination down, extending the life of internal gaskets and seals. Check with your service advisor about when you should have your next transmission service.